All right, inside pest management, birds. I hate birds. I hate birds because bird droppings are basically dust, urine in dust form, right? uh, and also birds are always in such a tough spot. I don't know how many times you have to be below where you're cleaning up. So you go to pull that nesting material out and it falls on you. It's nasty. But my all-time favorite bird service was actually done at a Toyota plant. Gosh, I can't remember what city it was in. I think it was off the 91 in Torrance, I think. It was a Toyota plant, and they had this old, almost like a bell tower, right? I don't even remember what it was used for. But the pigeons had been in there years. I mean, years upon years, if not decades, right? To the point was where you had to get on multiple roofs, and then you had to ladder up to get over the edge into this tower. And the tower then dropped down about 2 stories. So it was almost like a guard tower, right? So it had a roof, but then it was open around and you could drop down inside, but there was no way to get to it except drop down. So it was a solid floor with 2 flights of ladders, right? And there was so much pigeon droppings in there that when you stepped down, you fell through the droppings up to your hip in pigeon droppings. So needless to say, we were able to get shop vacs up there. We were able to get 32-gallon trash cans up there, and it was just shop vac it and shovel it all up and out to get the droppings out, and then we netted off around the tower so the pigeons couldn't get in anymore. Needless to say, that was a good one. Because then think about it. Not only did you have to get the droppings out of the tower, then you had to get them down the roof, right? So you had to go real careful, because what was the last thing you wanted to happen was have one of those bags break open as you're lazy training these bags down the roof, down the ladder, and into the dumpster down there. That was a good one. But you've never seen or smelled anything quite like that. Pigeon droppings. Ugh, gross.